What I'm about to reveal in this video has generated over 100,000 real estate leads for myself and our clients and led to millions of dollars in commissions, assignment fees, and profit on real estate deals. The same blueprint that agents and investors pay us up to $25,000 for or pay us monthly for years, you are about to get completely for free in this video. Results like Brooks O'Hearn from Shamrock Homes. Results like Brandon Evans in Utah, a flipper and wholesaler who left his W-2 to build a real estate business. Results like Tyler E., an investor in Seattle, and hundreds of more that you can see across my YouTube channel and online. If you're new to the channel, my name is Ruud-Johnson. Since 2018, I have been focused on one thing and one thing only. That's finding and acquiring off-market real estate deals for listings, for wholesale deals, for flips, for whatever else it may be. I have become a master of sales and marketing when it comes to the real estate business. The reason I'm sharing this today with you for free, there's two reasons. One of them is selfish. I hope that by sharing this information, you go out and do deals and build your business and eventually come back to my page to learn more. And one day, maybe, hey, we work together in some regards and use some of our products, some of our lead generation to eventually build your business. The second part is the more people out there that do business the right way in this business, that do deals that are ethical, that are moral, I believe the less this space will continue to get regulated, because the off-market real estate space, there's a lot of regulations and things happening because people do not do it the right way. I'm going to share with you our leads, conversions, and operation system, or LCO, today that we implement for clients that lets you, whether you're an agent that's done 100 listings or 2 listings, or an investor that's done 100 deals or 5 deals, become a real estate professional and go from a hustler not really knowing where your next deal is coming from to a real professional with a real business, not a prison, where you can do deals consistently. I know giving away a system like this in the video sounds too good to be true, but again, there are selfish reasons which I just talked you through, and I'm super excited for you to go through all this, implement it right away into your business, and start producing more leads and converting more deals, no matter what you're doing in your real estate business. The first thing that investors and agents get wrong in the LCO puzzle, lead conversion operation, is the lead generation part. They think of lead generation as an expense, not an investment. Lead generation leads, you should be excited to spend money in marketing because it's an investment in your business. The reality is, you guys, that you're going to get a 3 to 5x return on ad spend if you do the C and O parts right, which we're going to talk about later. So that's the first piece that people get wrong. The second piece, and almost every single person gets wrong in the real estate space, is thinking that there's some magic marketing channel and some magic lead type out there. There is not. No matter what you do, pay-per-click, cold call, it's about getting leads into your pipeline and nurturing them very long term. That is how you win. You do not win by getting a lead into your pipeline and trying to get paid in 2 weeks. That is not sustainable. That's not how you build a real business in real estate. So the way our approach is different, and the system that I'm explaining today, is it's based in reality. It's based on getting you low cost per lead with leads that are convertible and a marketing channel that's scalable. The basis to me of why people pay us is because we deliver them high quality cold call leads at a price you can't get with other channels. When you get low cost, high quality leads, what happens is your confidence goes up because you get a lot of reps. You don't have a lot of downside and a lot of risk because you're not paying $100 plus per lead. And the volume is there so your sales team can build a real operation and can get the reps on the phone. The approach that we take at Easy Bud Leads, and the approach that I teach and that I'm giving you today for free, comes in 3 phases. One, it's data, right? There's 3 types of data. You have general data, you have niche data, and you have predictive data. General data is your absentee out of state. It's your high equity, long-term ownership. Niche data is your pre-foreclosure, your probate, your bankruptcy, and predictive is your AI and machine learning lists. That's the first piece, is having the right data. We do this for our clients, but if you're going to run your own LCO shop and you're going to start with leads, you want to make sure you start with those 3 types of lists. You can get general lists with companies like ListSource and PropStream, Atom Data, and Bello. You can get niche lists with companies like Foreclosures Daily, Data Matrix, and you can get your predictive lists with companies like Prospect Now or Audantic. A little more pricey, but a very important part of this funnel, so you get to the most motivated prospects first. The second thing you want to do is list stack. Again, we do this for our clients, but list stacking is when you take all of that data and you stack it on itself. So you see people who show up on multiple lists. And you see Jim, the guy that owns a single family house in Alabama that lives out of state and is in pre-foreclosure and has tax liens on his property. That is someone you want to target super early on in the process as you continue to build this out. So what we have so far is the mindset of understanding marketing is an investment, not an expense. You have to play on a longer timeline. There is no magic silver bullet. There's no magic list. And then you start with a good data stack with your general, niche, and predictive lists. And then you list stack stack to get to your most motivated prospects first using a software like RESift. You can also do it in CRMs like ReSimpli. All that will be linked below the video. The last part, maybe the most important part of the L part of this puzzle, it's choosing and mastering one marketing channel at a time. That is what makes this process different. And the way I teach it different is don't go turn on a bunch of different marketing channels. Start with one. And I recommend cold calling. And that kind of moves us into the foundation of this blueprint. The core philosophy behind this blueprint is cold calling. The reason it works, again, is because you get a low cost per lead, a high quality lead, you get volume, you get reps, you get to build skills and confidence, and it's scalable. And at one point for my company, HelloPad, we had 50 cold callers full time, just generating lead flow for our business. The couple key metrics that really matter at the foundation level of cold calling, once you have the right mindset, you have the right data, you're list stacking, the three key components of making cold calling work are one, cost per lead. You want a below $40 cost per lead to be able to scale cold calling. The way you find that is the amount you spend on marketing divided by how many leads you get. That's your cost per lead. The second thing you want is conversion rates. You want to be converting, if you're an agent, about 1 in 30 leads to a listing. If you're an investor, about 1 in 50 leads to an investment deal across the country. It will vary. We do have clients that convert much lower than that, some higher than that. But if you're around those numbers, you can get amazing return on ad spend if your lead cost is below $40 per lead. The reason why this approach is better is because, again, there's not a lot of downside. You're getting to the most motivated prospects first. It's scalable, and it allows you to build a marketing channel and business no matter where you are, that you initiate conversation and you can really start ramping it up as fast as you want. So now I want to talk to you about what people pay us monthly for, what people have paid us $25,000 for. Now that you know the basic foundational parts of mindset, how to put together a good data set, how to stack that data, and what numbers signal success. Now I want to tell you about actually how to build a cold calling machine. The first thing you have to build a cold calling machine is good quality talent. You cannot go hire someone in the Philippines with a rooster in the background working from home. You cannot go hire someone in Pakistan that sounds like they're a scammer on the phone. Just to be blunt with you, you need to hire an English-first cold caller. You can use sites like Upwork to do so. We have a massive recruiting arm, so for our clients, when you hire us, we deliver you leads daily. But if you're going to go hire your own cold caller, go to countries like Egypt, Colombia, like El Salvador, Belize, which is English first, Egypt, South Africa. Do not go to countries with heavy accents, countries like Pakistan or the Philippines or Indonesia. In my opinion, that's not the direction you want to go if you're trying to build your own cold call campaign. So you have to find the talent. The second thing you have to do is you have to train and manage them right. And below this video, you are going to be able to join our free school community where all these resources live. But you need the right cold calling scripts, whether you're calling for single family, for land, for a commercial building, you need the right scripts. Those are all below this video. You need the right management system. So you need to be able to monitor, do quality assurance, coach your agents. If you do not train them and monitor them, they will not perform at least to the level of capacity they can. And the third part is you need the right tech stack and the right equipment. So you need a dialer. I recommend Ready Mode. You need a compliance software. I like Blacklist Alliance to scrub out the do not call list, both federal and state. You need to go get a state do not call list. You need to make sure that you have good internal call logs, that you're calling the right time of the day. And I know it seems like a lot, but the reality is if you can put together a compliant cold call system for your business built on the right data, the stacking, and the right mindset, you start to produce as many leads as you possibly want. And our company, Easy Button Leads, was built to do this for you. And anytime you turn a marketing channel on, there's a certain amount of trial and testing and error that you have to make to get it right. So do not expect to turn this on and come and DM me and say, Cole, it's not working. And you've been doing it for 2 days or 3 days or 2 months. It takes time, and you could be able to commit 3 to 6 months to this to get it right, because it can change your business forever. So at this point, you know the general mindset for running the proper LCO system, the proper leads in real estate. You understand that marketing is an investment. You understand the reality, the timeline. You understand how to put together a great data set with general niche and predictive data. You understand how to list stack. You understand how to build your own cold call team or hire a company like us at Easy Button Leads to cold call for you. Now we have to talk about maybe the most important part, which is the follow-up system. And the reality is this is a sales and marketing business. So if we do not get the sales side right, nothing else matters. And sales in this business is widely misconstrued, and people fall incredibly short when it comes to the follow-up system. The first thing I want to talk about today, you guys have seen the show 48, the first 48, which is about if you don't solve a murder the first 48 hours, it's very unlikely that you will solve that murder. And the reality is in the real estate business, guys, if you are not on the phone with someone within 48 hours of a lead coming in, you are probably not going to solve and create the solution that's needed for that situation. And I'll dive into that even further for you guys. So I had a client one time in Arkansas, and he was a one-on-one client, and we got on a call one time, and he had a lead that came in from a cold call lead from us that said, "Hey, I'm going through a divorce. I want to sell right away." And he hadn't called him in 3 days. And I said, "I bet you what's going to happen is you're going to call him and he sold to someone else." And that's what happened. We called him and he had sold to someone else. And that happens more often than you can imagine. The reality is, you guys, you have to be aggressive in the first 48 hours of a lead coming into your system. I have something called the 6x6 rule, where as long as someone says, "Don't call me, F off," we are going to reach out to them as long as they're an opt-in lead 6 times per day for the first 6 days. And a touch point is an email, a text message, a phone call, and a voicemail. So 6 of those, not all of them, but like you can be an email, text, a phone call, a voicemail, 2 more phone calls every single day for the first 6 days. And if you don't believe that this is impactful, go put your information in on an insurance company's website, car insurance, or a lending company for credit lines website, and see how many calls, emails, texts come into your system and voicemails every single day for that first week or so. So you want to implement that. That is the most important part. The second thing is you want to understand there's different types of sellers that you're going to be working with in this business, whether you're an agent or an investor. And we've labeled them by color. You have your green sellers who are very outgoing, very talkative. That's the old grandma who wants to tell you her life story. She might talk your ear off for 2 hours and not sell to you. So you want to be weary of that. You then have the red sellers, and the red sellers are going to be pretty standoffish. We call them engineer brains. And the engineer brains, they don't care about rapport. They don't want to get to know you. They just want a number. You then have the yellow, which is shy and timid. These people, even if they want to sell, you're going to have to peel them back layer by layer like an onion. And then we have purple, which are your impulsive people, the one call closes. And so one of your jobs as you do this aggressive follow-up, quickly put people in one of those boxes so you know how to engage with them. The next thing I want to talk about is, guys, that real estate is a personal sale. It is less of a business transaction. People sell 2 to 3 homes in their life, and you cannot be smarter than the avatar that you're working with, right? Remember how much you knew about real estate when you were a senior in high school? Almost nothing. That's the level of education most of these people have. Don't use legalese. Don't talk about contracts and earnest money and attorneys. Talk about simple agreements and an easy process, and you're going to help them through everything. De-escalate, de-risk, make it simple, clear, and concise, and you'll have a way better chance on the sales side. So if you follow up religiously, you treat it like a personal relationship, you focus on that relationship, and you become a solutions company. That is how you win. Solutions company. And you focus on, can you help them with moving fees? Can you help them find a storage facility to keep their stuff? Can you help them clean out their house if you're a hoarder, right? Be a solutions company. Because if you do not get this part right, if you do not get the follow-up part right, then nothing else matters. So go back, watch that a few times. And again, all of our sales training is free in the school community below this video that you can join at any time in this video or after the video. Now let's talk about scaling this. And the reality is, my company, we scaled to 50 cold callers at one time. The way that you scale this, you guys, is you start with the basics that we've talked about today, and you measure your numbers. And if you are getting between a 3 to 6x return on ad spend or more in your business, you need to keep spending more money. If you're below that, you need to fix your sales process. So as you build this, the way to know what to work on is, again, if you are creating a ton of 3 to 6x plus, keep spending. If you're below that, you need to audit your sales process, and then you just add one caller after the next. So again, guys, as we close this video out, you want to start all of this with the foundation level of understanding the mindset, the data, the list stacking to prepare a campaign. Then you need to understand how to hire a cold caller or hire a service like us. Then you need to understand how to close. That is the system, whether you're an agent or an investor, that'll make you as much money as you want. If you want to get this exact system, I've created a step-by-step implementation process, plus all the resources here and hundreds of more down below this video for free in our free school community. It has templates, scripts, checklists, and much more. But if you're looking to fast track that process, and instead of DIYing it, you want to do it with us, you can visit easybuttonleads.com or click the link below this video or in my profile for my team to send you leads day in and day out that are qualified in your market, ready to talk to you. Remember, you have 2 options: implement it for free, the guy below in school, or let us do it for you at Easy Button Leads. Until the next video, keep kicking butt. You're only one deal away, and make sure to subscribe to the channel here if you haven't.